Hello and welcome to English Town YouTube channel. Today we will learn 13 easy and useful English to Urdu sentences. So without wasting your important time, let's get started. Number 1. कुछ भी ठीक नहीं लग रहा है. Nothing feels right. Nothing feels right. सबसे पहले एहतियात आती है. Safety comes first. Safety comes first. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Anything could happen. Anything could happen. इसे छोड़ दो. Give it up. Give it up. सब ठीक लगा. Everything seems right. Everything seems right. लोग अजीब होते हैं. People are weird. People are weird. वक्त बताएगा. Time will tell. Time will tell. मुझ पर भरोसा करो. Count on me. Count on me. आराम करने की कोशिश करो. Try to relax. Try to relax. अपनी जूती बांध लो. Tie your shoes. Tie your shoes. ये लो, इन्हें ट्राई करो. Here, try these. Here, try these. एक कप और लो. Have another cup. Have another cup. ये लो, पियो इसे. Here, drink this. Here, drink this. So thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Allah Hafiz.